Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Canva resize and templates for faster thumbnails. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Canva resize and templates for faster thumbnails, start by opening the Canva website or app. Log into your Canva account, or create a new one if you do not have an existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in YouTube thumbnail and press enter to see the available templates. Browse through the template options and choose one that fits your style or theme. Click on the chosen template to open it in the editor. In the editor, you'll see options to customize your thumbnail. Use the text tool to replace the placeholder text with your own title or slogan. Adjust fonts, colors, and sizes to fit your brand identity. To resize the thumbnail to different dimensions, look for the resize option in the top menu. Click on Resize to open the resizing panel. Select the desired dimensions for your project or input custom dimensions. Once you have made your selections, click on Resize to apply the changes. Next, review your design to ensure everything appears as intended. Feel free to add any additional elements, such as images, icons, or shapes. When you're satisfied with your thumbnail, click on the Download button at the top right corner. Choose the file format you'd like to save your thumbnail in, such as PNG or JPG. Finally, click on Download again to save it to your device. Your Canva thumbnail is now ready for use on your YouTube channel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.